Look at that. It's expanding. It looks like a snake. What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. In today's video we're gonna test a lightweight garden hose. So in this video we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good it is. Let's do it. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with the bag to store the hose. This one, maybe to hang it on the wall. A nozzle. It's amazing. And it comes with extra O-rings to put in here and on the hose. It doesn't have one, so we have to put one here. And this is the hose. Let's see how much this hose weighs. So it's in pounds, it's in zero, as you can see it. So let's put it here. 2 pounds. It's amazing, it's pretty light. This one is a 50 feet long hose, okay? So it's very light for 50 feet. Okay, so the ends are made of metal, but the inside of the hose is like a nylon. Maybe I think it's rubber on the inside and nylon on the outside. I think it will this one, it will expand with the water, and the inside of the hole is 1/4 of an inch, and the hose I think is 1/2 inch. Okay, so now it's time to do the first test, the bucket test. Okay, we're ready for the test. So this is already tight. Okay, now this one you can open it and close it like this. Open it and close. You can see here how it opens. Okay, now we're gonna test a regular water hose, but this one it should be faster because this one is 1 inch. The thickness is 1 inch and the other one is 1/2 inch. So this one is gonna be faster, but let's do the test too. Okay. So the time is not that bad. This one is 45 seconds, almost 45 seconds to fill it up. The other one was 1 minute and 15 seconds. So it's like 30 seconds more. It took the other one, so it's not that bad. The other one is lighter, thinner, and it doesn't weigh a lot of it's not too heavy. Okay, I want to show you how the hose expands. Let me show you. Let's see, you can see it. Okay. This is nice, it's fun. Okay, right there is the hose, and let me close it here, and let's open the water. Look at that. It's expanding. It looks like a snake. Nice. So close it. It's close. Let me open it here, and then if I use it, it's gonna shrink back. Look at that. Wow, it's shrinking. That's amazing. Look at that. I love it. Cool. That's it. Shrinks because this one expands. It's amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, now the next step, next test. Let's see if it kinks. Let's make it a little like that. And then let's no. Doesn't kink. Okay, that's good. Now let's test the let's see the flow, how much water we have. Can see it there. Let's see. Can see it? Has good pressure. Oh, if I step on this, yeah, it caused the flow. You can see the pressure, it's not that bad. So now let's test it with the nozzle, with this nozzle. Good thing that has this. It's amazing. You can open it and close it. It's open like that. So angle. Wow, that's good. It has good pressure. And now let's see the soaker. I don't like the soaker yet. Yes, that's nice. Cool. Now cone. Oh, look at that. It's amazing. Now let's do shower. Ooh, man, that's nice. I like it. Cool. And now flat. Oh, that's nice. It's flat. You can see it here. It's flat, like that. That's nice. You can see that. Yes. Now let's put it on full. It's alright. Center. Oh, has pressure. Maybe this one is good for car washing. Maybe. Half bird. That's alright. Mist. It's meant for watering the plants, delicate plants. Angle. Soaker. No, I don't like the soaker yet. Cone. Okay, the shower. That's the best one for car washing. Yeah. So this is a 50-foot long hose, but let's see how long it can reach. Let's see if I go like this. Let's see. That's it. Alright, so it's not that bad. I can wash the car super easy. The Supra. Supra is there, so it's nice. I like it. The quality is good. It's light. Pressure is alright. But remember, the other one has more pressure because the thickness of the normal water hose is 1 inch, and this one is ½ inch. Okay, but it still works good for the gardening, for watering the plants, watering the trees, and all that. Like this. Yes. Can do that super easy. That's cool. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments if you have a question. The link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Thank you for watching. So you can see it here. This is the plastic, how it works. You can hold the hose with that. Amazing. So now it's here. You can open it and close it here, and open this one, and the hose will expand. That's amazing. I like it a lot. Okay guys, this is the garden hose. Is amazing. I like it. The summary of everything. Okay, the hose, it weighs 2 pounds. Okay, the thickness of the hose is 1/2 inch. The thickness of the hole that the water flows is 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and this one expands when you add the water and will retract when you empty the hose. That's amazing. I like it. But remember, it's not gonna be the same as a regular 1-inch hose. Okay, but everything is amazing. The link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Subscribe for more videos like this one.